how to buy SPX6900 2.0 token. So this token came under the symbol of SPX 2.0. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and it created 3 hours ago and increased by 218,000% in the last 24 hours. So this token is trending #1 on Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So this is our token. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and search for your token, as you can see. So after you find it, just click on it. So this is it. Now after that, click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SPX 2.0 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.